What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm at somewhere different today. I'm at Pavilion Bukit Jalil, but I'm not on the inside part of the mall. I'm currently on the outside. So right here with me, we got something which looks good, which is at the back here. It's Leapmotor, guys. For those of you, I think you have seen the showroom, which has been alongside the roadside here. It's the entrance side of the mall. But we are greeted with none other than Faiz, bro. Hey, man. Bro, it's good to see you again after so long. For those of you who do not know, I've known Faiz for so many years back. But he's here right now with Leapmotors, and he's going to bring me for a walk around to show you guys what is here. So let's go, man, dude. Faiz, what's happening right in here? Leapmotors, am I saying the word right, or is it?
Yeah, correct, yeah, correct.
Okay,
correct
cool,
pronunciation, brother.
So, bro, Faiz, tell us, man, what are we looking at as a showroom introduction over here, dude?
This is our B10 design.
Okay.
Tundra Grey, to be specific. 434 kilometers WLT.
WLTP, guys, this car can go 434 kilometers. Tundra Grey. I just love the name of the color. This is a solid color.
It's a solid car.
Solid color, rear wheel drive. Beautiful appearance of this car, guys. I just love it, man. In terms of exterior look, let's take a back view for you guys just to show you guys how the back part actually looks. Amazing. Super clean and nice. Comes in 7 colors, man.
7 colors.
7 colors, and only for the design variant, which is the top of the range model for the B10, you can get 7 colors. But if you go for the life variant, you only get 2 colors, which is only
Black and white.
black and white. So, man, right behind me, what are we looking at on this side?
Flagship.
Flagship, guys. So this is the flagship model of the
C10 Plus.
C10 Plus, guys. Take a look at this gorgeous color. Of course, I love the color. The name color is called pearly white metallic finish. Superb, superb, guys. You got to be here to see this. It's very shiny and glittery right under the light. Fantastic looking car. Especially if you're going for white, you get to see all these black finishes here and there. The contrast design of the car really stands out. To me, having a white car, you really can see the design of the car if it's, different from black. But if you go for a black car, it's super clean, guys. So this is a beautiful car. Man, what's the range on this car, dude?
510 WLTP.
510 WLTP, guys. Rear wheel drive as well?
It's a rear wheel drive as well.
Amazing, man, dude. So all your cars come with a glass roof on top, I realize that. Very nice, very nice. Rims on this car also 20-inch?
These are 20-inch rim.
Very nice, guys. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful, dude. 360 camera available for all their models as well, guys. So over here, man, what's the name of this color, dude?
This is B10 Live.
B10 Live? Okay, B10 Live, and it's called a metallic...
it's a metallic black.
Metallic black finish. And it's also a rear wheel drive as well.
Rear wheel drive as well.
Very nice indeed, man, dude. I love what I see. Blacked out, super sleek. I can only imagine if someone got this car wrapped in a matte PPF. Oh, matte black, super clean and super nice, man, dude. So for the rim size also is the same, man.
18-inch, same with the design.
Okay, same with the design variant as well.
Same with the design.
Very cool. So what's unique about this car is the interior.
It's the interior.
Check this out, guys. How it's been such a long time since we've seen this sort of finishing of a fabric for the interior. When you open up this, I feel like it's practically like someone's house chairs, It's so comfortable. By looking at this, you already know it's comfortable. There's no need to be sitting in it also. You can already one look at it, guys. Just take a look. It's already looking comfortable and nice. You got all of these padded places here and there, and it's super comfy, man. If you're looking for a car to drive quite a distance, very nice and comfortable, guys, for this. Super cool, man, dude. So, man, for warranty and service interval, how's it like for Leapmotor, man?
Our warranty is 6 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Cool, man, dude.
Definitely for the batteries, 8 years or 160,000 kilometers.
Cool, man, dude. Cool. Awesome. So, guys, if you'd like to find out more about Leapmotors, they have all their cars here to show it to you. And of course, if you need a test drive, Faiz will be there to arrange for a test drive for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the simple and very brief showroom walk around. If you'd like to find out more details about their pricing, about how their car actually works, and more technical details, you can always look for Faiz, and he'll be more than happy to share the details with you in the description below. You can get in touch with Faiz. So, Faiz, bro, thank you, man, for your time.
So much, Andrew.
It's a pleasure to be here. Beautiful showroom, beautiful setup. And I love the colors, especially the white. Fantastic, man, dude. That one right there, very nice indeed. Tundra Grey. Just by saying the name already, it looks absolutely stunning. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.